of JCPS cluster have noted the planned protest action called by some groupings for Mondays. We have also noted the mobilization undertaken in various communications platforms for members of the public to join the protest action. Government louds residents and business who refuses to be intimidated or bullied and assures them that everyone in South Africa and their property will be protected. We want to assure everyone in the country that the 20th of March will be a normal business day. We want to reiterate to our international community that, contrary to the pronouncement by those advocating for any disruption, all ports of entry, land, sea and air will be operational. Measures have been put in place to ensure that everyone who wants to go to work, travel for leisure and conduct business on this day does so in a safe and secure environment.
Wingenza wethu usho njalo uBheki Cele asaze njengoba umalema ekwaveza ukuthi kuzoba ne-national shutdown ezweni lonke jikelele. Siphikisana ke kwey'ngane kwethu, omunye ke ubhekele omunye ubhekele nenhlanhla lokhu uthe akukho ke okuzokwenziwa umalema. Hlala ngaphansi comment section ngezupho lakho.